good morning to all my students. I'm Kaushalya Rajpurohit, your English teacher, and today we are going to discuss the vocabulary and grammar section of our chapter 4. So, I hope you have understood the chapter very well. And now, are you ready with your books? We are going to start our vocabulary section. So, please take out your textbooks with me and we are going to solve. Now read these sentences. Awa was a wonderful student. The amount of homework she did was amazing. She would read, repeat, write and recite. The words highlighted above are related to each other. If you see the highlighted word, the word is student, homework, read, repeat, write, recite. So all these words are related to study, right? So all these words are related to study, or you can say to the life of the student. Similarly, they have provided an exercise. Pick the words that are associated with dog. So fur. The body of most of the dog have a furry hair. So it is related with. So what are related with this? Fur, then kennel, tail, dog is loyal and tricks. Neigh is not. Saddle and cheese are not related to the dog. So you can do this exercise. Now we'll go further with our grammar section. Today we are going to learn pronouns. So what are pronouns? Pronouns are the words which stand for nouns. That means the words which are used in place of noun are called pronoun. Right? So they are really interesting. So let us read with me. Personal pronouns, you can call them also personal pronouns. Personal pronouns are used to replace nouns and names. This is often done to avoid repeating the noun or the name, right? So personal pronouns are used in place of nouns or names. See, we know that nouns are the names of the person, place, anything. So we are using these personal pronouns in order to avoid the repetitions of the name, right? For example, let us see this example. Ravi is an intelligent boy. Ravi likes to play cricket, and I can add more if I want. Ravi is a good boy. Ravi is an intelligent boy. Ravi stands first in the class. So if I have to say about Ravi a few sentences, say 3 or 4 sentences, each time I have to use the word Ravi. But in order to avoid this repetition, we use the pronoun he for Ravi, right? We use the pronoun he. So how will I write now? Ravi is an intelligent boy. He likes to. One time I will mention the name, okay? So that you can know, or the person I am talking to can know whom I am talking about. एक बार मैं नाम mention करें. One time I'll mention the name, and after that I'll use the pronoun he, as he is a boy and it is a singular noun. So every time I'll talk about Ravi, I'll use the word he. So he likes to play cricket and he is a clever boy. He stands first in the class. Many things I can tell about Ravi by using the pronoun he. So the pronouns are really interesting. They make our language easy. They make avoid repetitions. Okay, see, Ravi is a small name. What if you have to take a full name? See, my name is Kaushalya Rajpurohit, and if I have to tell you about myself, then what will I say? I am Kaushalya. So I cannot use I. So this is Kaushalya Rajpurohit. Kaushalya Rajpurohit is your English teacher. Kaushalya Rajpurohit also teaches math. Kaushalya Rajpurohit is class teacher of class 4. So I have to repeat the name the number of times I am talking about myself. But if I have to use the pronoun, I will use I. So I am Kaushalya Rajpurohit. I am your maths teacher. I am your English teacher. I also teach maths, right? So my language will be more easier. It will be more easier and convenient to speak when I use the pronouns, right? Pronoun use करते हैं तो हमारी language, हमारा जो बोलने का है वो ज़्यादा कन्वीनियंट होता है. हमको बार बार किसी का नाम रिपीट नहीं करना होता है. Instead we can use the pronouns which are smaller and easy to speak. Like here they have given the list of personal pronouns. I, the first person. When I am talking about myself, जब हम हमारे बारे में बात करते हैं, which pronoun we use? I use I. You, the second pronoun, personal pronoun is you. when you are talking to the second person, singular or plural. You is used for both nouns, singular or plural. When you are talking to a person directly, then you use the pronoun you, and it may be for one person or more than one. She, the third person singular female. When I am talking to you about a girl, any girl, Rani, so I'll use the pronoun she, and he is used for the third person singular male, that is for the boys or man. It is used for the singular inanimated. Inanimate means non-living things, or the person or anyone that is not human being. Man and women को छोड़ के for all other third persons it is used. We, first person plural. When I am talking about ourselves, हम सबके बारे में, in which I am also included, I will use we, and they for the third person plural. That means if I am talking about some other person more than 2 or 3, I will use they, and they is also used for all the plural nouns. That is, when I am talking about more than one person, then I will use the word they. So these are the pronouns, these are the personal pronouns. Okay, so I, you, she, he, it, we, and they. Now there is one type of noun that is called possessive pronoun. Now you know what do you mean by possessive? Possessive means which shows the ownership, right? जो हमारा हक किसी के ऊपर बताता है. If see, this is my bottle, so this is a bottle, but this bottle is mine. ये मेरी bottle है, right? Or I can say this is your book, right? So how will you say this book is yours? Yours, that is आपका possession बताता है कि उस चीज पे आपका हक है, right? तो वो pronouns क्या होते हैं? possessive pronoun that shows that someone or something owns something, right? उसके पास वो है, वो उसकी है. अगर pencil है, this pencil is mine, don't take it, ma'am, he's taking my pencil. So mine will be possessive pronoun which shows that that thing is mine. It is used to avoid repeating noun and its modifier. ये modifier भी है. We'll see how it is. For example, this cricket bat is my cricket bat and not your cricket bat. But I can make this sentence really easy by saying this cricket bat is mine and not yours. So here mine is a possessive pronoun and yours is also a possessive pronoun. Mine shows that ये क्रिकेट बैट पे हक किसका है, ओनरशिप किसकी है, मेरी है, एंड तुम्हारी नहीं है. In the second sentence above, the highlighted words are possessive pronoun. Mine has replaced the noun cricket bat. Cricket bat की जगह उन्होंने क्या यूज किया? mine, and it's a modifier my in the first sentence. और इसको my को भी इन पूरे my cricket bat को हमने यूज कर लिया as mine. Yours has been used in place of the cricket bat and its modifier your. तो your को modify करके क्या हो गया? yours, और my को modify करके क्या हो गया? mine. Now we'll look at this table so that you can understand it properly. See what personal pronoun for me. अगर मैं खुद के बारे में बात कर रही हूँ तो what pronoun I'll use? I am a teacher, I am a woman. Okay, I teach math, so I use I. But अगर मेरी कोई चीज है जैसे mine bottle or mine watch, so mine, so this watch is mine or this bottle is mine. तो जब मुझे अपनी चीज के बारे में बोलना है तो what possessive pronoun I'll use? mine. Likewise you, when I'm talking to you I'll use you. but मुझे आपकी कोई चीज के बारे में बताना है तो what will I use? yours. This book is yours, or is this yours book, or this will be not right. Is this book yours? So जब मैं आपका you जो personal pronoun है, that is someone, then I'll use the possessive pronoun yours. He के लिए क्या होगा? his, that is this book is his, right? or this book is hers. जब मैं लड़की के बारे में she के लिए कौन सा possessive pronoun यूज होगा? hers. it के लिए its, we के लिए ours, and they के लिए theirs. So you should remember this possessive pronouns. So personal pronouns and possessive pronouns. Personal pronouns are used for the persons. They replace the name of the person, right? But possessive pronouns shows the ownership on something. हमारी कोई चीज पे जो हक है, अगर मेरी चीज है तो mine, yours, लड़के की किसी की है his, किसी लड़की की है hers, किसी और अदर एनिमल या नॉन लिविंग थिंग की है तो its, और हम सबकी है ours, और उनकी है theirs. So you should remember these possessive pronouns. This is a very important table. You should write this table in your rough notebook and you should revise it so that you can be perfect in about the personal pronouns and the possessive pronouns which are used here. Okay, now we'll go for an exercise so that you can understand the personal and possessive pronouns more clearly. Underline the wrong pronouns in this sentence and replace them with the correct possessive or personal pronouns. So they have given us some sentences and they have used wrong pronoun. उन्होंने गलत pronoun use किया है और हमको उसको correct करके we have to write the right sentence. So let us go for the first sentence. It's your plan, not mine. So it's your plan, right? And not mine. So my के लिए what is the modifier? We have already seen my के लिए हम क्या use करते हैं? Mine. So we cannot use my. We use mine. So what will be the correct answer? So the wrong pronoun used is my, and it will be it's your plan, not mine. And my is modified with mine, and I am using possessive pronoun. Now next sentence. Is this book or is this his book or your? Now your is not used. We use s with yours. So what will so the wrong sentence or wrong pronoun is your, and the right will be is this his book or yours, because we use yours when we are using possessive pronoun, not your. I am sorry, these seats are ours. So what do we use for when something is ours? So this is not the right pronoun, not us. We will use ours. So I am sorry, these seats are ours. ये seats हमारी है. These seats are ours. Which team won the match? Us or their? Us के लिए what is the modifier? Ours. And they के लिए theirs. So which team won the match? Ours or they नहीं होगा, theirs, right? Akram is a good speaker. She is also a good listener. Now here the noun is Akram. So what will be the personal pronoun used for boy? It is he, not she, but they have given she, so she is wrong. And the right sentence will be Akram is a good speaker. He is also a good listener. So for me or I use mine, yours, ours, theirs and he. So that you should remember, right? You should remember my का modifier क्या हो जाएगा? Mine. You will not use my as personal possessive pronoun. You will use mine, yours, ours, theirs and he, she, that is personal pronoun you can use for boy. You will always use she. Now they have already also provided us one more exercise and you have to fill in the blanks. Now you can see a picture. There is a room and there is a family, right? There is a grandfather, there is a grandmother, there are some siblings, right? There is a dog, there is a television and there is a mother. So they have provided us some sentences and you have to use the correct pronoun. Now he is my grandfather. So this is the grandfather of the boy or anyone. This newspaper. Now the newspaper is grandfather's and grandfather is a male. So what possessive pronoun will be used? Newspaper किसका है? Grandfather का है और grandfather is a singular third person, right? So it will be his newspaper, right? The newspaper is his. Similarly, if I go to the grandmother, dash is my grandmother. So what will be the pronoun used for grandmother? She is a woman. So the pronoun used will be she, that she is my grandmother, right? And here these are books are mine, ये मेरी books है, right? and this TV is ours. हम सबका TV है. And the last sentence, she is my mother. This stole is, ये जो stole mother ने पहना है ना, वो किसका है? Mother का है. And mother is a girl. And what is the personal possessive pronoun we use? Girl के लिए hers. So it will be hers. So when we are talking about the third person, any man or boy, then his, she is used for women. And if सारी चीजें मेरी है तो this books are mine, this TV is ours, and she is my mother. और ये stole mother का है, she is a woman, तो woman के लिए क्या होता है? use possessive pronoun her. So I think you got the possessive personal pronoun. So what you have to do, you have to write down the table which I have provided you, right here. Okay, this one. So you will write this table and you are going to practice all this exercise yourself. Okay, now we'll go for the next section, pronunciation. Now read this word aloud. If I read them: boy, joy, annoy, royal, toy, destroy. The highlighted word oy, o-y, that in this given above have an oy sound, that is y is sound like I. So this is a beautiful words they have given which sounds, which are written differently but they sound differently. Boy, boy, o-i, oy. Okay, so you have to fill these words with oy words. The child was playing with his toy. So oy, oy. Do you dash the picnic? Do you enjoy the picnic? The teacher said a dog is a loyal animal. Don't dash me, let me do my work. So don't annoy me. And Kohinoor is a royal diamond. So I got all my words. So these are the words that you have to learn how they are pronounced. So how will you pronounce it? Toy, enjoy, loyal, annoy and royal. Okay, so I hope you just understood my lecture. You have to listen it properly and do practice in your book and rough copy. Thank you.